chapped lips can be annoying, painful, and even cause bleeding. But for a variety of reasons, many of us deal with them at various points throughout the year. Whether it's the weather or bad lip balm, there are things you can do to prevent and get rid of your dry, chapped lips. Chapped lips have many causes. Because the lips don't contain oil glands, like the rest of your skin, they're prone to drying out. In this video we are going to share how to prevent from chapped lips and its treatment. So, let's start. If you are new on this channel, make sure to subscribe and turn the bell notifications on. Chapped lip prevention. 1. Don't lick. Licking your lips only dries them out more. Because saliva evaporates quickly, your lips are drier after you lick them than they were before. 2. Don't use flavored lip balms. When you put tasty things on your lips, you're tempted to lick. While flavored lip balms may be fun, they can lead to a dry, cracked mouth. No fun at all. 3. Use sunscreen. If you're planning on a day in the sun, use a lip balm with sunscreen. 4. Cover your mouth when out in the elements. Cold air especially can dry your lips. Covering them with a scarf when you head out into brutal temperatures can help keep them protected. 5. Steer clear of allergens. You may have sensitive lips that get irritated when they come in contact with perfumes, dyes, or fragrances. So keep cosmetics and products with these ingredients far from your mouth. 6. Stay hydrated, inside and out. Winter air can be dry, so keep the air in your house moist with a humidifier. Also, be sure to drink plenty of water to avoid dehydration, which can lead to dry skin and lips. Chapped lip treatment. If you already have dry, cracked lips, those prevention methods may keep them from worsening. But there's even more you can do to help them heal more quickly. 1. Gently exfoliate. When your lips are chapped, they can be rough and start to peel. Taking off skin that isn't completely dead, however, can lead to bleeding and pain, so be careful. Apply a gentle exfoliator like a sugar scrub with your finger. Be sure to follow with a good moisturizer. 2. Moisturize. Use a moisturizer to keep your lips from drying out further. Products containing beeswax or petroleum work to hold moisture in. Slather on more at night before you go to sleep. Ointments like coconut oil, cocoa butter, petroleum jelly, and even thick body lotions are good options. When paired with the prevention methods above, these 2 treatments alone can speed the healing of chapped lips. I hope that this video will be helpful for you. Thank you.